Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. Despite the fact that the Northerners have in different occasions speak out concerning 2023 presidency that it should be the turn of the South to lead the country. But unfortunately, there are still some persons who are struggling to accept that truth and that fact that it is possible for it to happen in the South. The former presidential candidate and founder of the National Action Council (NAC), has decided to speak about Igbo presidency come 2023. And according to him, he said that the Igbos do not even merit to become the president of Nigeria. And he went further to say that they do not even have a person who can stand in for them. So shocking and so troubling. At this point, to hear someone come out who is a Southerner to make such utterance is an indication that there is something possibly that he understands about politics in Nigeria, which some other persons do not know. Look at, you're going to hear some of this, a suggestion that is bringing up for those who are agitating for Igbo presidency come 2023. But before we look at all of this detail, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish videos on YouTube. All right, let's look at the news in detail. Dr. Olapade Agoro, a former presidential candidate and founder of the National Action Council (NAC), has said it is doubtful if the Southeast will produce the president in 2023, even though a lot of people are canvassing for it. Speaking on a chat, Aguro said Igbos will have to work for the presidency as nobody will donate power to them on a platter of gold. While speaking, or while asking them to support Asiwaju Bola Tinubu if the presidency is zoned to the south, Agoro said nobody in the southeast has really worked to merit the presidency in 2023. According to him, he said the Southeast has been clamoring for their right to produce the president, but I doubt if that is going to be a reality. There is nothing like power donation anyway, you have to work for it. Nobody in the Southeast has really worked assiduously to lay claim to the right to the presidency. To me, I believe the southern region should be united and think the Southeast should support Bola Tinubu presidency. If they can never be anyone standing against them in the future. And a lot of persons have come out to lambast the old man who feels that Bola Tinubu is the ideal candidate for 2023 presidency if it is zoned to the south. And this one says here, good grief, this old man doesn't even know if he will see the end of all this thing. No one does really. The public sucks. The south is in entirety doesn't have anyone that merit the seat. Let the North have it. You may be shocked that that is a Southerner speaking. Another one here quoted the man and said, to me, I believe, okay, quoted what the man had said before now. The man had said, to me, I believe the southern region should be united, and I think the southeast should support Bola Tinubu presidency. Somebody reacted to it. He said, unity beggars. Pre-2023 election, you want southerners to unite. You didn't call for this unity in 2015, oh, jokers. It should be easier to find brothels in heaven than Tinubu becoming president of Nigeria. Wow, wow, wow. That is, for me, is insulting to God. But he's trying to say that the impossible is just like saying uh, that it is possible for a camel to pass through the eye of a needle than Bola Tinubu becoming the president of Nigeria, which therefore means most Nigerians do not even believe that it's possible for Bola Tinubu, to enjoy that position, of becoming the president of Nigeria come 2023. And guess what? This is overly shocking considering the fact that this had been something the South has been earnestly waiting for. They have been clamoring for it and believing that it will be a reality come 2023. And the Northerners, to some extent, have given their blessing. Call it a blessing, because there are some key factors whom we thought they were going to stand against the South becoming president come 2023. But one of them had to speak out of the person of, the governor of Kaduna State. He said that for him, he wouldn't give his support to any Northerner who is going in for that position, but he would like to support a Southerner because it is their own turn and it's ideal for the South to, enjoy that position. But here we are, as not as Southerners, we can't even be united. Now, let's look at this, with so much reference to the past. When we look at the past from 1999, when this whole thing started, I'm talking about when democracy started. Obasanjo was given that privilege of saving this country for as long as 8 years. And if they have served, they are a geopolitical zone that's the Yoruba, that geopolitical zone in Nigeria, and they're from the southwest. Now, if they have been given an opportunity to vote, and then it went to the north, Northerner went in before Jonathan came on board, which is south, and now a northeasterner, that's Buhari, had also enjoyed that position. It's now an opportunity for us. Why should we give it back to the southwest? Why should we? Because the truth, if we want to be very, very precise here, let's just try to be very truthful. The southeast have not enjoyed even one chance to be the president of Nigeria. Don't forget that this issue of presidency we are talking about, the southwest, the southeasterners have contributed, and they deserve at least, even though we are talking about they have not worked for it and all of that. The truth is that if the South decide now that we are giving this chance to the Southeast to become president, and we put our forces together to ensure that they become president, I tell you the whole truth that the Northerners will support us. What will make the Northerners wake up again and say, we have cancelled our blessing, we want the presidency back, is when we will fail in being united in pursuing this purpose. I tell you the whole truth. If we decide to begin to fight amongst ourselves, and this one begin to lambast this one will begin to lambast this one, at the end of the day, we are not going to get anything out of 2023. The Northerners, who already have the population in their own advantage, will come in and will take over the thing from us. We need to wake up. It's really painful when I see people reason the way these guys are reasoning. It's really, really painful, because at this point, I was thinking that by now there would have been some south strategies, strategy by the Southerners on ground for this 2023, and we should be starting consultation, already reaching out to the Arewa youth, the Arewa Consultative Forum, reaching out to governors in the north, reaching out to some of the monarchs in the north, and talking to them and telling them that we would like to secure their support come 2023, just to prove that we are already won. And guess what? It shouldn't be done as maybe one person going in to do it, but it should be done as South going to meet the North. In other words, there should be an extract of some key political elites from Southwest, from South, and even from Southeast. They begin to move in and see how they can secure the support of the North, so that at the end of the day, we will have the opportunity of ruling this country again. And that's how it should be. Not the issue of already started Nigerians, Southerners have already started fighting. It should be Tinubu, it should be Southeasterners, just like it makes no sense. And I feel that this thing this man has said now, Dr. Agoro has said now, is a challenge to the Southeasterners. If truly they desire to be, president of Nigeria come 2023, they should start working immediately. I know right now they are divided because some are pursuing Biafra and some are pursuing presidency come 2023. But I feel at this point that they should reach a consensus. If you want to pursue presidency, you pursue. If you want to pursue Biafra, you pursue. Already we are talking about amendment of the law, which possibly may give room for them to bring in something like referendum referendum. You understand? But if they know that, oh, we are not so okay with Biafra, they should start their consultation. They should start reaching out. They should start voting money, getting ready for that wonderful time that they will have the privilege of becoming the president of Nigeria. Not this thing that I am hearing them say. It's really mind-boggling. I tell you the whole truth. It's really shocking that Southerners have already started dividing themselves, even when the time has not yet come. However, we are waiting to see what will happen in future. But I'm so hopeful that the Southeasterners will wake up to their responsibility by proving to Nigerians that truly they merit to become the president of this country come 2023. That's where we would like to leave it. Go to a